The Yamazaki Home Tower Kitchen Appliance Storage Rack is a true game changer. This Yamazaki, heavy-duty 67 inches appliance shelf transforms cluttered kitchens. It stands tall, a metallic guardian for your gadgets. Imagine your toaster, blender, and mixer finally have a home. This unit is built from sturdy steel. It feels like a reliable friend. Furthermore, it conquers kitchen chaos. Therefore, finding your tools becomes effortless. It even fits snugly beside your refrigerator. A perfect partnership. Moreover, assembly is straightforward. You won't struggle for hours. This rack promises durability and order. This standing organizer is a titan of utility. It offers ample storage. Think of it as a vertical village for appliances. Its heavy-duty shelves hold considerable weight. No more wobbly shelving. Each shelf supports your bulkiest items, thus, peace of mind is assured. The 67-inch height maximizes vertical space. Consequently, your countertops breathe freely. This Yamazaki, heavy-duty 67 inches appliance shelf is not just storage. It is a strategic move. It is an investment in kitchen efficiency. Your culinary adventures will flow smoother. Ultimately, this rack elevates your kitchen's functionality. In conclusion, the Yamazaki Home Tower Rack is highly recommended. It is a workhorse, not a show pony. It delivers on its promises. This Yamazaki, heavy-duty 67 inches appliance shelf simplifies your life. It streamlines your kitchen. Furthermore, its simple design complements any decor. It is a silent helper. Its strength is undeniable. Indeed, this rack is a wise purchase. It brings order and calm. Consider it the backbone of your organized kitchen. You will truly appreciate its presence. Therefore, give your appliances the home they deserve. Pros: super fast and easy to put together, lightweight but metal frame, perfect for heavy-ass tower. Would hold up with huge bags of flour, very useful design, shelves are adjustable, easy to put together, very happy with the finished tower, very sturdy, good size for my space cons. Not very sturdy, rust and discoloration, top and bottom panels didn't line up, makes it a little wobbly, difficult to assemble, tiny screws and their placement, screws not well thought out, challenging to access shelf levels, nightmare to put together, screw holes did not line up well, struggle to get screws in straight, one shelf has sort of a dimple, hooks, which are cheap plastic, overpriced, very basic for cost features. Tower kitchen appliance storage rack, metal shelving unit, standing organizer, heavy duty. Shelves 67-inch height, suitable for fridge area, made of steel, durable construction. Space-saving design. Yamazaki home brand. The Yamazaki Home Tower Kitchen Appliance Storage Rack is a tall, strong metal shelf unit, about 67 inches high, perfect for organizing items near your fridge. It's made of steel, so it's very durable and can hold heavy things. This standing organizer helps you save space in your kitchen by providing extra shelves. The Yamazaki Home Tower Kitchen Appliance Storage Rack is a tall metal shelving unit designed for kitchen organization. While it's praised for being lightweight, sturdy enough for heavy items like large bags of flour, and having adjustable shelves, some users found it difficult to assemble due to tiny, poorly placed screws and misaligned screw holes. There were also concerns about its stability, with some finding it wobbly, and issues with rust, discoloration, and cheap plastic hooks. Despite its useful design and good size for many spaces, some consider it overpriced for its basic features.